think about it so far, Little Rock? Two final aircraft over the parachute landing area. What an awesome sight. Here at Little Rock. These dedicated airmen work in 100-degree summers and icy winters, completing tireless hours of skilled maintenance. These 40-year-old planes airworthy day and night, 24/7. We appreciate their efforts every day. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our demonstration of the awesome capabilities of the C-130 Hercules, the world's greatest tactical airlift.